Hey guys, what's going on? I'm back with another how-to video, and this time is how to remove your Dexcom G6 sensor when your sensor expires. I'm going to show you on how easy it is. The first thing you want to do is you want to stop the sensor first, and that if you're using your transmitter, you want to go unlock your transmitter and go into your menu and scroll all the way down and tap stop sensor and confirm it. If you're using your phone device, you want to go into your settings, which is on the right top of the screen, and then go to where it says stop sensor, and that's all the way to the bottom. It should be normally. I can't show you because that's already been done. So we're going to go to the next step. So once you stop your sensor, what you want to do now is you want to remove the actual transmitter from your sensor holder. There's a couple of ways you can remove your transmitter from your sensor. One thing is using an old credit card or an old store card that you have that you don't use anymore, or you can actually use an old test strip, and I usually use a test strip that I've used before, and I'll show you on how to do that. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to find on your sensor here, you notice with the transmitter that the bigger opening, if you look on each side, there is like a little kind of little V there, and what that is that's where it clicks in. So what we're going to do is you're going to take your card or your test strip, and you want to enter it in around in that area like that. So you want to like take it from an angle, and you want to enter it and wiggle it in between that, like that. And once you get it in where that V is, you're going to then go move it a little bit, like almost like wiggle it a little bit like that, and push it in. So what that's going to do is you're going to hear a click, and once you get that in there like that, you'll notice that one side you'll notice like it starts to come out. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull that out, and you see it's popped out. Now you're going to repeat it on the other side, which is right on this side here, has the same exact thing, and you're going to wiggle that in, and you're going to hear that click again, and there you go, that your transmitter pops out, and you're going to take that out and put it aside. So now I'm going to remove the sensor from my skin, and I have an overlay patch on, so that's really stuck on there, and I have hair, so it's going to hurt, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start to pull the edges off as best as I can, and try to get that off. Now sometimes what I'll do is I'll like stretch my skin here, and I'll pull from here and try to take as much as I can off from the middle. And if that don't work, I usually just try to peel off as best as I can. See, now I got a hold of like that. There it goes. Got a portion of that right there. So then you want to work around it. You want to grab your go around this circle. It hurts. It hurts. So if you've got no hair there, God bless you. So you just want to pull off like that, and you got that, and it's off. Now, what I do is on how to discard it. I usually, if you have a sharps container, I throw it in there because it does have that it was touching blood because of the little Bluetooth transmitter that's in there that goes into your body, and I usually toss that away. Now all you have to do is just put on another sensor, and if you're not sure on how to do that, I have a video for you, and I'll put it right up there so you guys can check it out. So with that being said, that is how you take off a Dexcom G6 transmitter and sensor once it expires. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, and if you like vlogs and how-tos, just hit that subscribe button, and I look to see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a great day.